Ready to transform your ideas into captivating YouTube Shorts? Let's dive in by opening Adobe After Effects and clicking on New Project. Next, let's create a new composition. Click Composition in the menu bar, then New Composition, or, if you prefer, there is a shortcut. In the composition settings, let's set the correct dimensions. Here's where it gets interesting for YouTube Shorts. Set the preset to HD 1080. But change the orientation. We want a vertical video, so let's swap the width and height to 1080 by 1920 pixels. Is the perfect size for shorts. You can also set the frame rate and duration as desired. Now for the fun part, content creation. Importing your media begins with either using the Import Assets feature or dragging and dropping files into the project panel, which is located bottom left. Next, let's add some text. Using the text tool to describe exactly what the video is about. Enhance your videos with eye-catching visuals. Using the shape tool, make some basic shapes to make the video more captivating. Make your content more dynamic by using the timeline to add some animation to make the text animated. Select the text layer in your timeline and add keyframes to adjust position, scale, and rotation. You can do the same for your shape layers. This will make your video more engaging and professional. You can also add some effects for a professional look. To enhance your visual content, use the Effects and Presets panel and experiment with color correction and visual effects like blurs and glows. There are plenty of visual effects to get your desired look. Time to export. Go over to the Composition menu again and select Add to Render Queue. In the Render Queue, change the output module settings. Using the settings drop-down, choose H.2.6 for your YouTube short video format. After rendering, your YouTube short is ready to upload. Add relevant hashtags and create engaging content for your audience. Now you know the core workflow to make some professional, attention-grabbing YouTube shorts.